Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So let us start our new topic called ESG assurance and verification process steps. Very important subject. The ESG assurance and verification process, which will involve validating and providing assurance on an organization's ESG related disclosures, practices, and performance matrices. Here are certain typical steps involved in ESG assurance and verification. So first one is the scope definition. We need to define the scope of assurance or verification engagement, specifying the ESG topics, metrics, and reporting periods to be covered. Then engagement planning. We plan the assurance engagement, including establishing the objectives, identifying key stakeholders, and determining the methodologies and standards to be used. The next comes risk assessment. We conduct a risk assessment. This is to identify the potential risks and material ESG issues that may impact the organization's sustainability, performance, and disclosures. The next comes data collection. We gather relevant data and information related to ESG performance metrics, targets, policies, practices, and disclosures. The next comes documentation review. In this step, we review all the documentation such as sustainability reports, the policies, the procedures, the strategies, the manuals, and supporting evidences to assess the completeness and the accuracy. Next is testing and sampling. In this step, we conduct tests and sampling of the data and information to verify the accuracy, also the reliability of the reported ESG metrics and disclosure. We conduct certain interviews and discussions with key personnel responsible for ESG management and reporting to gain insights and verify that information. If applicable, we go for the site visits also, conduct site visits or inspections to observe operations firsthand and verify compliance with ESG policies and practices. Comparison with the standards. We compare ESG performance and disclosures against relevant standards, guidelines, frameworks, GRI like SSB and regulatory requirements also. Then assurance opinion for or verification statement also. Based on the findings from the assurance or verification procedures, provide an assurance opinion or verification statement on the organization's ESG disclosures and performance. Then reporting. We prepare a report which will be summarizing the findings, conclusions, recommendations resulting from the assurance and verification engagement. Then feedback and continuous improvement. In this, providing the feedback to the organization on areas for improvement in ESG reporting and performance. Also, we encourage continuous improvement in ESG practices based on the findings, actually what we have identified. Also, we prioritize those findings as well. Okay, then external reporting and disclosures. We communicate the assurance opinion or verification statement to stakeholders through the external reporting channels, enhancing transparency and credibility. The next comes the follow-up and monitoring, actually. In this, monitor the organization's progress to address recommendations and implementing improvements and identified during the assurance and verification process. Then last is review the audit findings, the report and the recommendation, and the renewal also for this. We review and renew the assurance or verification statements periodically to ensure ongoing compliance and also the improvements as well, and alignment with the evolving ESG standards and expectations. So by following these steps, 15 steps we have discussed here, organizations can demonstrate their commitment to transparency, also to accountability and responsible ESG practices. So this is how we enhance the trust and credibility among all the stakeholders by applying all the necessary steps. Thank you very much, friends. Let us start the new topic now.